beep. What is up, ninjas? My name is Samworld, and today I'm going to teach you guys a way that you can use to achieve wide basses like the Confessions, guys. That's why it's titled that way. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first way is not the tutorial, but you can always just layer another bass on top of the bass you already have and make sure it's a wide bass that sounds good with it, and that's it. Distort it a bit and you're done. Now, the next way I'm going to show you, and this is why I'm making this video, is a very cool, unique way, I guess, to do it. And what we're going to be doing is using a return where we're going to widen the bass, and then we're going to be applying distortion on there so that we have the same bass sound distorted on the sides of the mix, where it's going to sound a little bit different, a little bit nastier, a little bit spikier, like the Confession guys have in their tracks. So with that being said, guys, let's get straight into this video.
Alright guys, so here we have a preset, which is going to be a mono preset. I've taken off the reverb, but you can add it if you want to have a wide reverb that's distorted as well. So what we're going to be doing is going into the delay channel here on our return already, or send, whatever you want to call it. And we are going to be off timing the sync and using 1.00 on one side, and then the other one we'll leave it at 22.1. Now we're going to send the whole signal there, and instantly our sound is going to sound wider to us. And that's because what the HAAS does is it gets the left side of the speaker and the right, and it offsets it. So the sound hits on the left side first, you could say, or sorry, the right side, as you can see, and then the left side. So it's getting it off phase, which gives us that wideness. From here, you can use an overdrive to distort, and now we're going to have, now fine tune it. And we got that wide kind of sound. Now treat this as another layer, because that's what it is. You know, we have this playing, and then we also have our original sound playing. So together, we're gonna get that. And from here, it's just assigning or using different distortion plugins to get what you want. Now the cool thing here is if I start going through presets, take this off, you can see the difference that it makes. Here, this sounds gonna do a little bit more dry. And you can see we can even add more overdrive if we want to. But this is going to be something cool that you guys can do. And again, there's two ways to do this. You can add another layer and do that, you know, just get another layer that sounds good on top of the one you have, which will give it that. Or you can send it to a send like this to achieve that sound. My name is Samworld, guys. Hopefully you guys find this useful, and hopefully you can find different kind of combinations instead of just distorting that you can find with maybe other things. And I'll see you guys next time, ninjas. You guys take care, keep learning, keep making music, and I'll see you guys next time. Maybe it might be in an hour, who knows. But peace out, take care.